I'm China, and I'm just like many other girls, quiet, hopeful, and someone who once believed in forever. But my story changed when I experienced my first heartbreak. Before that, I lived a simple life. I was focused on school, surrounded by friends, and just enjoying my teenage years. Love wasn't part of my plan until he came along. We met at the beach. It all started in a quiet summer afternoon by the beach, and we had a simple conversation, then became a long night of chatting. He made me feel noticed, and for the first time, I felt like I was special to someone. Months later, destiny worked its way back into our lives. On the first day of school, I was surprised to see the boy I met at the beach walk into our classroom. We exchanged smiles, amused at the thought that the boy from the beach was now my classmate. From then on, we studied together, exchanged notes, and supported each other through the pressures of school life. Our friendship grew deeper, blossoming into a love that felt as natural as the waves that first brought us together. But love doesn't always last. Our happy days turned into arguments, promises turned into silence, until one day he was gone, and so was the future I thought we'd have. When I look back, I often say the beach wasn't just where we met, it was where our story began. Our journey from strangers by the sea to classmates and finally to lovers has become a reminder that love often comes when least expected. The heartbreak stayed with me for a long time. I asked myself what I did wrong. I cried, I doubt, I even blamed myself. But yes, I loved and I lost. But in the process, I found something more important, myself. I learned that heartbreak can break you, but it can also make you stronger, and that love will come again when I'm ready. This is my story, a story of love, loss, and healing. And maybe if you ever had your heart broken too, you'll know you're not alone. You will get through it.